please, for me. Hip hinge forward, and we're going to take that into a row, into a fly, and then you're going to lift back up. So come down, we row, we fly, and then we step back up, squeeze the glutes. Come down, we row, we fly, and we reach up high. Lovely one, just for one side. If you've got more tension than the other side. And lift. And also we get the bonus glutes in. Fantastic. So turn the chair around. Let's come down. Row, fly, and reach back up. Squeeze the glutes. Row, fly, lift up high. Row, fly, and lift. Row, fly, and lift. And one more. Row, fly,